Okay, he hasn't come up yet, and my camera stopped for some reason. And there's a boat coming by. I hope he doesn't go after the boat. Oh my goodness, he's way down there. You know what? He's lost me. He doesn't care to be here anymore. He's tired of me. So I'm going to let him go ahead and play with what he wants to do. But, oh, he's coming back. He is so cute. How sweet. All right, let's try this one more time. Oh, there's a whole school of fish. Oh. Come here, little guy. He's coming towards me. Come on, little guy. Come on. Come on before I have to turn this camera off because my battery is low. Come on, little guy. You know I'm here waiting for you. Oh. Come on, one more time. And then that's it. That's all I ask is one more time. Okay? I won't take your fish. I promise. Come on. Thank you. There you go. Enjoy your dinner, sweetie. Thank you for coming back to me. You are so bold. You're so bold. And my mother was so gracious to set this up for me. Thank you, Mom. And as the kids would say, is thank you, Nana. We love you. We love you, and we're happy that you're with Dad again. Or Grandpa. And I love you. Forever. And my only wish is that you keep over Ford and the rest of my future pleasures. I love you, Mom, and thank you for making me a grandmother today. Bye, little dolphin. You were awesome. I'm putting you in SAG.